The trainer for anti-theft trainer is a complete setup for anti-theft trainer model XPO-AT. This trainer consists of different type of modular panel which is inserted inside this row, aluminum rack row. First panel is for single phase AC and 12 volt DC 3 ampere input supply panel EMT8. This is the first panel. Here this is a MCB are connected inside this panel, and this is a 12 volt positive supply with respect to ground. Second panel is for PIR motion sensor panel. It means passive infrared motion sensor panel. This is a passive infrared sensor inside this panel. PIR motion sensor is the input of this sensor, and this is the output which is connected to relay for operating any type of actual real systems, or you can say device also. And this is the third panel. This is the ultrasonic motion sensor panel. This is a motion sensor inside this panel. Here also you can operate this motion sensor by using ultrasonic motion sensor by using this 230 volt AC supply, and this is the relay terminals. And this is a relay panel. Here also this relay panel, and this relay you can switch this relay by using this sensors, and you can change this relay position by using this input. So this is a relay panel, and you can switching the any type of real systems or devices by using this relay. Last is lamp load. Here you can observe the operation of relay by using on and off status of these 3 bulbs. You can connect any one bulb, or you can connect 3 bulbs as per your requirement. This is the dual phone display, and for this is the camera for this door phone, outdoor camera which is situated outside the any gate or any your premises. This panel is for window safety panel. Here we are using 3 type of sensors. One is through beam sensor. Here is transmitter, and this is a receiver. One type is diffuse photo sensor, and this is a magnetic reed switch sensors, and these are the output terminals and the connections for this particular sensors. Here also magnetic reed switch contacts, and it will be operate this window. That time diffuse sensor will disconnect the beam, and it will be operates as a relay contacts, and these relay contacts you can connect to relay panel, and at the end of relay panel you can connect any type of the system or any type of real operating equipment which you want to switch by using this dual switch, dual safety panel. Here also another is through beam transmitter and receiver. Here also when window will open, that time directly this beam will interrupt, and directly relay will gets activated, and it is goes to switching the relay, and real operating system also acts as a on and off position. Here third is magnetic reed switch. Here also when it disconnect the beam, magnetic beam, that time it actuate this magnetic reed switch as a NO to NC. That time alarm will be operate, or any equipment will be operate as per your expectation. And this is a dual safety panel, and this dual safety panel you can operate this dual safety panel by using this. This is a door. Yeah, this is the door. Here this sensors, electromagnetic door sensors are connected here. This is the one side and this is another side. When it will be operates, it means when is magnetizes or any supply goes to this coil, magnetic coil, it will be magnetized, and that it will be operate as a, it will be attacked as a magnet, and it will be closed. Similarly, for this all operations of all the sensors, at the end of this relay, you can connect siren, or you can say the flasher. So any type of fault or any type of activation you can observing by using the operation of this siren. So first of all, we will connect one by one experiment for this all the sensors study. Along with this anti-theft trainer, we have given one systematic manual. This is a manual included student workbook as well as instructor guide. In student workbook, we have given different type of experiments here. One is introduction, another understanding resources panel. Here all the details of panels are given in this understanding resource panel chapter. Another is working with motion sensor. Another is working with window safety sensor. Fifth is working with door safety sensors and actuator, and sixth is working with video door phone. So this experiment are given here. So one by one we will study the experiments. So first is, these are the experiment, and the circuitry is given here. Yeah, this is the experiment with motion sensor. Motion sensor. In this experiment, there are two experiments. One is to perform experiment to operate PIR. PIR means passive infrared motion sensor. Another experiment is to perform experiment to operate ultrasonic motion sensor. These two sensors are operated by using 230 volt AC supply. First of all, first experiment is by using PIR sensor. So these are the experiment with the wiring sequence, and the block diagram is given here. Discussion fundamental is given here, and here is the conclusion, and this is the procedure. So here this is the PIR motion sensor. When we start this sensor, that time, yeah, if any movement in front of PIR motion sensor, it will be operates and activate this relay. This goes to this real operating equipment. It means you can, here we are using this bulb for indication purpose. So after 45 seconds, it will be automatically off. Again it will be operates when any movement in front of this PIR motion sensor. That time again it will be on. Now this is the second experiment, to perform experiment to operate ultrasonic motion sensor. Here we are using 230 volt input supply to operate this sensor, but as previously we are using PIR passive infrared, and here another 230 volt operated sensor, ultrasonic motion sensor. This is the block diagram, this is the wiring sequence, this is the procedure, and this is the conclusion. Here also 230 volt supply goes to here. This is the ultrasonic motion sensor. This sensor, this is auxiliary supply to operate this sensor, and this is a switching circuit coming from this ultrasonic motion sensor. It goes to real operating system or equipment. Here we are using bulb to indicate the operation of this motion sensor. Here after 45 seconds, after activating for 45 seconds, it will be automatically disconnected, and motion sensor will be reset. That time this bulb will be goes to off. Again, when any object is coming in front of this motion sensor, ultrasonic motion sensor, again it will be activated and bulb will be on. So after waiting 45 seconds, it will be automatically off. This is the operation of this ultrasonic motion sensor. Now this is another part, working with window safety sensor. It means here we are using three type of sensors to secure the window operation. It means window safety. First is by using diffuse photo sensor, another is through beam photo sensor, and third is magnetic reed switch. So first of all, we are doing first experiment by using diffuse photo sensor. This is a diffuse photo sensor block diagram. This is the wiring sequence, this is the procedure, and this is the conclusion. Here, as per wiring sequence, we are connecting all the leads like this. This is the supply, 12 volt supply goes to this diffuse sensor. This is the diffuse photo sensor, and this is the window, and it supply goes to here relay panel, and when any obstacle or when window will be open, this connection goes to NC to NO and it will be operate. This NO terminal goes to NC terminal and bulb will be operate. You can use here bulb as well as you can use here hooter or siren also, or flasher also. So just keeping these connections to this hooter, it will be operates. So here when window will be operate, window will be open, that time this diffuse sensor will be disconnect this beam and it will be operate in relay panel and bulb will be off. Again when window is on, it means this in line with this diffuse sensor, that time bulb will be on. You can use this relay through NO to NC also. When you are using this terminal to NC, that time the operation will be opposite. It means when window will be off or close, that time bulb will be off, and when it will be open, that time bulb will be on. This is the operation of this diffuse sensor. Now this is another second experiment. The experiment to operate through beam photo sensor. Here this is a through beam sensor. This sensor is a transmitter and this is the receiver. This complete one pair is here, and the output of this pair, it means through this beam sensor, it goes to here relay panel and it will be actuate this relay, and it goes to the connection to your bulb. It means your bulb will be operated. So if anyone open this window, that time suppose the window will be open, that time this transmitter and this is a receiver, the through beam will be disconnected, or you can say the obstacle between this through beam sensor. So automatically it will be turns into relay operating and bulb will be operated. Or you can connect alarm also instead of bulb. This is the second experiment. Same this through beam sensor you can use for operation of this through beam sensor. Here at the end of this sensor, it means here instead of bulb you can connect this alarm also, or you can say the siren also with flasher. Suppose it will be open, that time flasher will be operate and siren will be run. So this is the operation by using the through beam sensor, and at the end of this sensor we are using here siren. So this is the third experiment for use of this window to perform experiment to operate magnetic reed switch. This is by using this magnetic reed switch. This is a magnetic reed switch, and this is the relay contact of magnetic reed switch. When this window will be open, that time this switch will be NO to NC, and it will be operated to this relay, and relay, at the end of relay we are using this bulb, so bulb will be on. Again, when window will be like this close, that time magnetic switch will be connected to this relay, and this relay will be operated and bulb will be off. And instead of this bulb, this is the AC supply, but you can use this siren also by using this 12 volt supply also. This is the fifth experiment, working with door safety sensors. So previously we are studying the safety of window. Now this is a experiment for door safety. So for this is the block diagram, this is the wiring sequence, this is the procedure, and this is the conclusion. Here is the door safety switch, and when it will be energized, that time you are unable to open this door. Unable to open this door because this is a completely magnetized, and it will be fully close to this chamber. It means your door will be closed. But if you are press this, you should press this door switch, release switch. That time it will be de-energize this switch, and you can open this door. It means like this, energize, and you can open this switch like this. So this is the, and here indicator also given here. So magnetization, demagnetization you can observe by using this LED status like this. So this is the operation of door switch. Yeah.
Demo.
This is the last experiment, working with video door phone. Here door, this is a camera for outdoor camera for door phone, and this is a screen inside your home. So here when you push this switch, that time camera will be activated, and on screen you can see the person coming in front of camera. You can see on display. So when you give the permission to any client or visitor, that time you push to this switch and camera will be deactivated and the screen will be off. So this is a operation of door phone in your home.